Okay, so I'm going to walk you through how to add a user to your WordPress account. Um, okay, so I'm going to walk you through how to add a user to your WordPress account and to be able to give access to someone else without having them log into your personal WordPress account. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to log into your WordPress account. Usually it's going to be your domain/wp-admin. And if you have it set up in another way, you're just going to go to whichever link it is that you had it set up on, and then you're going to log in and you're going to end up on this dashboard. Once you end up on this dashboard, you're going to go down here on the left-hand side. You're going to click on users, and then you're going to go to add new. Then you're going to type in the username that you want to make it for, so you can put it as whatever their name is. Let's say it's Johnny. Then you're going to put in their email. You're going to put their name. You don't have to necessarily fill out the rest of this. Then you can generate a password, which will create that for them. Send the new user an email about their account to make sure they get it. And then you've got the different roles. So depending on what level of access you want to give them, sometimes they might need access as an admin if they're doing web development work on your website. If they're just doing posts as blogs, it might be editor or author, contributor. So you'll want to go through and just double check on which access you want to give them. Typically, a basic access would be editor that would give them the ability to make changes on the website, but not to have full level of changes. Like I said, if they are doing a lot of web development work, they might need administrator, so you can create that, but you're still going to be the owner of the website. Once you have that all finished, you're going to go to add new user. And then you're going to have that user here. So if I click into the account, you've got all the information. If you need to reset the password or if you want to set a new password, you can do that all here. That password from the other screen, you could copy and paste it and send it directly to them, or they're going to get an email that's going to allow them to access as well. So either way, they'll have access now. You'll want to notify them that they have access through their email, or you can send them that password to access, and you'll need to give them the link you use to get into your WordPress site. So that's how you give access to your WordPress website. I appreciate you watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you.